Good morning, everyone. It's Jan from Jandle in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, and on occasion, some beauty products. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please do so, and I'd love for you to join my YouTube family. Today's video is something that's very exciting for me. It is my first purchase of a Hermes bag, as you can see by the big orange bag in the background. A little backstory. I've tried for over a year to get this bag. I've looked on the pre-loved sites. I've seen quite a few there that I was going to purchase, but when I went to put it in my cart, they were gone. This item, when it does come in store, it sells out pretty quickly. It does come in 31 different colors, so you'll know when I open the bag what I'm talking about. I'm obsessed with this style of bag, so let's go ahead and unbox. You ready to see what I've purchased? This is the first time I'll be seeing it. I purchased it over the phone with an essay, so I have not yet seen this bag in person. So let's go ahead. Before we do it, there is my receipt. And this cost me Canadian dollars. There's a price right there, so I'm not sure what it would cost you where you're living in the States. In the States, you are 30% cheaper than Canada. So I thought I'd show you that. Let's go ahead, guys. I'm so excited to unbox this. Beautiful ribbon, and on this one has Hermes 2020. Okay, guys, let's turn the box around. Here we go. Beautiful tissue paper. There we go, guys. There is a little dust bag. So tight I can't even get it open. It's got the lock inside. Oh, there we go. And it comes with the key. There's the lock, guys. And here is the keys. Any ideas, guys? Okay, here we go, guys. Take it out of the box. Any guesses, guys? There we go. Like I said, this is my first Hermes bag. I've purchased from them before, but not a handbag. Oh, wow. Here we go, guys. And this is my new bag. It's called the, I'm not pronouncing it probably the right way, the Herbag. Look at the color, and it's got the Hermes there. Let me just, Hermes there. Let me just check it out to see if everything is okay. There's a side view. There's the back, and it does have a zipped pocket here where you can put your phone, easy access to your keys. There's the bottom. I really like the pattern on this one. There is the Hermes stamp on the back there. This one's got the silver hardware on it. It is a handheld as well as a strap. It is undetachable, so you cannot remove it. Let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Let me move a little closer here so you can see. What I've heard about this bag is that it's extremely hard to get in and out of when you need to. Oh, the leather is amazing. It's so thick. Oh yeah, I can see. 1 second, guys. You turn it around. There we go. So you lift it up. There's the straps. And you also have to lift it up here. And it opens up to one large compartment there. It does come with a little pouch, a zipper pouch with a leather tab. And this is made out of fabric, a really thick, durable fabric, and the strap is attached with leather. The inside, like I said, there is no pockets, there's nothing there. Can it be detached? I wonder. Oh, the pouch can come off. It's a little tab there where you can remove it. There is the Hermes in silver. Look at the leather. It is so thick. It is so beautiful. And you can have your initials stamped apparently on the little straps there. It is gorgeous. I love, love, love the color. Okay guys, I've gone ahead and I have attached the keys to it, as you can see there, as well as I've gone ahead and put the beautiful lock on the back. I just love this bag. The leather on it is extremely, extremely thick, which is really good. I just love, love, love this bag, guys. Now you can see why I'm obsessed with it. I love the Kelly bag, Kelly 28, which I will eventually at some point in time purchase. But right now I've decided to collect these, either vintage or as well as new purchases. I would show that to you and do a couple mod shots. So you can wear it here on the crook of your arm, such as this. You can also wear it handheld, like this. And you can also wear it on your shoulder like this. And I'm going to see if you can wear it crossbody. You can, like this, if you're short like I am. I'm 5'2", and it's comfortable on my hip. I just love the color of that, guys. What do you think? Is that not gorgeous? So, new to me, this is my Hermes bag, and I am just in love with it. Hermes on the front, on the sides, there's the bottom. Is that not gorgeous? Love it, love it, love it, love it. Another great feature of this bag is if you unscrew the side, which is this cap right here, you can unscrew it. You take this whole leather part off. You can turn the bag inside out once you remove the leather, and the flap becomes, this part here will be inside the bag now, so you can have your zipper compartment on the inside and not have it on the outside, which I think is an amazing thing to do with this little bag. I've taken my Hermes Twilly and I have tied and wrapped it around the handle. This is my first time attempting to do this, so I do need a little bit of practice, but it really dresses up the bag nicely. Look at that. I love the color. Green is my favorite color. So I thought I would show that to you guys with the little twilly on there. So, as you can see, guys, it's not the best wrap, but it is my first attempt. I think it looks okay. I like the color on it. There's the bag. So till next time, guys, stay safe, define your style, don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are.